Optical character recognition, or OCR, allows for scanned PDF documents to be rendered into searchable text. Go to Document, OCR. From the dialog box, under the Files panel, the current file appears automatically. You can add additional files and folders using the Add drop-down menu below. You can run OCR on the entire document, or you can customize the page range by selecting the Pages drop-down menu next to the file name. If you tend to work with the same group of documents, you can save a group or import a group of files into the Files panel. From the Options section, you can choose from a number of languages to match your document from the Language drop-down menu. You can adjust the settings to better suit the type of document being scanned using the Document Type drop-down menu, including allowing it to detect orientation and vertical text, or to speed up the process by skipping any vector content. You can also optimize the scan for accuracy or speed using the Optimized For option. Set the max vector size, which, if checked, will ignore any font size larger than indicated. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK. Double-check that the text was made recognizable by going to Edit, PDF Content, then select Text. Try to select the text. If you can, the document was successfully converted into text content.